step into the Toyota 2019 4Runner TRD Off-Road. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel-mounted controls, voice recognition controls, phone hands-free, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, driver information system, hill ascent assist and security remote anti-theft alarm system. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.